Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another short video today, basically showing you how to connect the HP LaserJet M29W to a wireless router, which is going to allow you to connect to your smartphone and print wirelessly. So getting right into it, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click the button that will allow you to do the WPS connection between your router, and then you're going to have your wireless connection button on this printer right there on the left side. You're going to want to hold that down for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then you're going to let it go. And once you let it go, it's going to be solid. It won't be blinking anymore, that sign, and you'll be able to print wirelessly. That's really all it takes, you guys. It's really extremely easy. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for this printer. If you have any questions at all, please make sure to comment below. And if this video was helpful to you, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. But thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.